Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Get Perfect, and my name is Vismay. So in today's video we are going to learn about sum if and sum if s. Okay, sum if is the combination of two formulas, that is sum and if. So it is conditioning sum. If the condition is so sum it, and ifs is the if the if there are two or more conditions. Suppose I want to do a sum of two or more conditions, then we use sum if s. So let's start the video and see how to use it. So this is the data table in which I need to get the values using sum if and sum if s formula, and this is the data. This is the raw data which we have. So as per this data I need to get some specific data in this particular sheet. So what data we have? So let's have a look on this. We have shop, types of shop, area, city, pin code, age of how many age the shops are, and the business done by these shops. This is the same example which I've used in the pivot table video as well. If you guys have not checked my video, I'm leaving the link in the description box. Please do check that video. Okay, and yes guys, if you have not still subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and the like button so that you get notified in each every video. So let's start. So what I want in the first case, I want the types of shops. As per the types of shop, I want the value. So I want to have how much is clothing doing business, how much is general stores doing business. So how to do that? So in this case I am just using one simple if. So how to use that? Let's go. So equal to sum if, open bracket, what is the range. So I need to select this range from this. Okay, so I've just clicked on top of this row, comma. Now it says what is the criteria. The criteria is clothing shop. I need to find what is the business done by the clothing shop, and comma, what is the sum range, what you need to calculate. I need to sum the business, what is the business they are doing. I say close bracket and say enter. It's 68,000. Still see here only. So it is saying that 68,000 is the total business done by the clothing shop. General stores is doing 72,800. So let's cross verify whether they are doing it or not. So I've made a filter, clothing shop. Okay, so if I select all this, we get an answer 68,000 in the bottom. Yep, so the answer is right. And for general stores it is showing as 72,800. Let's check whether that is correct. So I'll just select general stores, 72,800. Yes, it's correct. So using sum if formula, you can get a sum with a condition, with a single condition. And this is how we do it: a sum if, open brackets, the range, the criteria from which you want to select, and the range, sum range of which you want to add. Okay, now suppose I want to know in a central area how much is clothing shop doing a business, in east area how much is clothing shop doing a business. So area wise business I want to know. So for that, we'll now there are two separate criterias or two separate ifs conditions in this. So how to do it? So sum if s. Now it is asking the sum range first. What I need to calculate, I need to get the total of the business. So I select this column, comma. Now it's asking me for the criteria range 1. So first criteria will remain the same, the type of shop. I selected the entire column, comma, what is the criteria, these. Okay, now I'll again say comma, and now it is saying criteria range 2. So my second condition is the area. So I'll select the entire column for the area, comma, and I'll say this area. I say okay, bracket close, and I say enter. I copy this entire formula, go down and paste it. Okay, now let's check. In central area, clothing shop is doing a business of 6,800 as per the formula what we have set. Now let us check whether that is right or wrong. So first we'll go in central area, would be central. Okay, and here it's clothing shop. Okay, so 2,100 and 4,700, 6,800. So the answer is right. Now let's check for general store. Let's check for plywood. General store is done. Now let's check for plywood. Okay, the answer here is, you can see answer in the below also, 24,700, and what we have got, 24,700. That's right. Let's check in mobile shop in west. It's showing as 31,800. So here I'll do mobile shop, and here I'll select west. What was the answer? 31,800. Yes, that's correct. See, so this formula, just think where can you use this SUMIF formula. This is a very important formula. This takes care of your VLOOKUPs and HLOOKUPs, and also some part of your pivot tables also. You can replace a pivot table using a SUMIF and some ifs formula. Okay, so if you like what I am doing, please hit that subscribe button and the bell icon, and also I would like to have a like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching this video. Let's meet you in the next video. Bye bye. Please do take care of yourself. Hi friends, please don't forget to download the Excel and the training PPT. Let's make the most out of it, and please let me know if you have any feedbacks for me. Thank you so much. Bye bye.